If you are missing a single tooth, we will provide you with one implant and one implant crown. Regardless of where your implant is in your mouth, we will always make sure that it is colour matched to your existing dentition. We also work very closely with our on-site laboratory to make sure that it looks as natural as possible. Not only that, every single crown is completely custom made. If you have an implant at the front of your mouth to replace a missing tooth, you will always have a temporary tooth of some description so that you are not left toothless at any stage. Having implants at the back of the mouth is a real game changer in terms of your ability to function without having to think about what it is that you're eating. From a dental point of view, it really helps make a difference when you can spread the biting load throughout the rest of the mouth rather than just across a few teeth. But once you've got that final tooth in, you'll be able to smile again with confidence, live your life, eat all the food that you want, and generally, forget about the fact that you've ever had a gap.